So the wig that I have today is Perfect Hairline by Outre. It has real scalp illusion, reduced lace grid lines, fully hand tied 13 by 4 frontal, ear to ear soft HD transparent lace, pre-plucked hairline with natural baby hairs, combs with pre-attached elastic band, heat styling friendly. So right off back, I really like the texture of the hair. It's not as shiny as it shows on the camera. It's just the lighting. So the transparent lace is not my favorite at all. It has two combs on the side, one comb in the back, and it has two adjustable straps and the elastic band. So I don't like the scalp illusion. I'm gonna be removing that in the next clip. You'll see that. So here I'm removing the fake scalp from the lace. I'm being very careful because you can barely see the thread because it's clear. I didn't want to cut a hole in it.
Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it.
Now I'm cutting the entire fake scalp from the wig.
You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you stick around and wait for me. I see you always come up, but don't switch up on me.
Now I'm taking my Black Radiance foundation and I'm lightly rubbing it on the lace to blend it with my complexion. I didn't do the ball cap method this time, but if you haven't seen how I did it, I will leave it, the thread on the top. I'll just put it up there. Now I'm spraying the lace down with the Got to Be Glued free spray.
I know that you like it. Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well. It's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. I need me to be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from that. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. Lately, I've been trying to fix the mess. myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else. Get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, and fading with God. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. 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 You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, and fading with God. That's what you got me thinking lately. You're not the one, no, no. You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, and fading with God. That's what you got me thinking lately.
Now I'm using my mineral powder by Ruby Kiss to blend the lace in with my complexion. I thought that the Black Radiance foundation would do it, but I'm going in with the powder to see if that will work.
Wait, we don't have to start the day yet.
I didn't want to create like baby hairs, but I had to anyway because the lace is like, it's a lot of work. So yeah, I'm doing like some baby hairs and everything just to get it to look right, I guess.
Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. Burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by. Take your time. The world can wait. An hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door.
So because I didn't have like the wax stick, I'm using some edge control, a little bit of it, and I'm just like putting it down, like rubbing it like on my hair, to get it to stay down. And I'm also going to be using my flat irons because I don't have a hot comb to like flatten it. So yeah, you'll see that in the next clip. Don't mind me, I'm laughing. So now I'm taking a little bit of that mineral powder and I'm putting it on the parting of the lace.
So long, I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night.
So I'm gonna give you my thoughts about this wig. So it's only one thing that I don't like about this wig is the lace. The lace. The most biggest problem for me. Like I had to work my magic to get it to look right, and you know, I don't know. I mean, I think I did a pretty good job on getting the lace to look, you know, to match my skin complexion or whatever. Another thing that I didn't like is when I pulled it out the box, the wig came bumped. Like, you know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's like that curl. I didn't like that, so I had to flat iron it, put some heat to it. And another thing is when I tried to do the side part, it was like not showing the part. So I had to like, you know, work my magic, flat iron it down or whatever. And I used some edge control because I didn't have the little stick to like lay the hair down. Excuse my son, he having fun doing whatever. But I had to do that so you can see the part as well. Other than that, I like the wig. I like the texture. I love the color. I wanted to get the red velvet wig like this one here. I think I'm gonna still get it. But the colors that it all comes in to is chocolate cream, which is this one I have now, ginger brown, champagne fizz, gold amber, and red velvet. Those are the colors that it comes in. This is the stock card that it comes with. I'm gonna show you the styles that I can put them in because they show, like, this is one style. You can have it in the middle part. I kind of like the middle part though. You can put it in the middle part. You can also do an up and down ponytail with this, like this. But I think I'm gonna stick with the to the side, a side part. I hope y'all were able to see my video very well, because when I edit my video, it don't come out the way that I record sometimes because of the lighting. It goes in and out. So I hope y'all were able to see what I was doing and how I did it or whatever. So everything will be listed in the description box below. If you are interested in purchasing this wig here, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.